Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hey my sugar pies, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and fantastic. If you're new here, you're mostly welcome, and please feel free to join the sugar pie squad by subscribing and turning your post notification on, that bell icon, so that you don't miss an upload from me. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a very simple and affordable makeup look. This is the makeup look that I have been loving lately. Very simple. You don't need a lot of tools, you don't need a lot of makeup, you just need like few basic makeup items, and I'm going to explain as we do this. And very few tools for you to achieve your everyday look. Like, we are doing an everyday look, so nothing like a lot of products, or we are going out or parties, nothing like that. So if this is the kind of video that you're interested in, please stay along. And before we even move on, please give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. Woo, guys, it's so hot. I've already applied, I've done my skincare, I've applied my sunscreen and all that. We're going to start by priming our face, and for priming I'm using this LA Girl primer. This is a very affordable primer. I believe it's less than, I don't really remember the price right now, but I'm gonna put it down here on the screen. So this is the primer that I'm using. It's very tiny, but it does the job, especially for those who have oily skin like me. This is a very good primer. It's available at Discam and online as well if you want to purchase it. So with primer, I usually focus on the areas that I tend to get oily the most, and it is my T-zone area around here. That's where all the primer, and that's it. Like, I don't apply I do not apply all over my face. That's what I'm trying to say. And for foundations, and then after my primer, we are going straight into the foundation. For foundations, I have these two foundations. I have the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and then I also have the Essence foundation right here. Essence foundation, I bought this, it was on sale for 79.99, 80 rand, but it's less than 100 rand. And the Maybelline foundation, it's 130, it's not more than 100 at this minute right now. I don't remember the price, but I'm putting them right here on the screen for you guys, and they're both available at Clicks and Discam and your local pharmacies or online as well. So this foundation, the Essence one, is my shade. This one is a little bit lighter, so we're gonna use the lighter one around here, around the light areas of my face, and then I'm gonna use the darker one, like the one which is my shade, around the perimeters of my face. So let's start with this one right here. And with foundation, you can just explore. You know guys, makeup is all about exploring and finding what you like, what you don't like. That's all about makeup. Just do, and then don't be afraid to explore. Don't be afraid to say, no, I don't like this, I don't like highlighters, I don't like eyeshadows, I'm gonna skip that, I'm gonna do this. It's okay to do that. At the end of the day, it's your face, it's you. You need to be comfortable with how you apply your makeup, and most importantly, you need to be, it's my mirror, you need to be able to step out of the house and you're just proud of what you've put on your face. You just don't have to follow every trend. You don't have to follow like what everybody else is doing. That's what I'm trying to say. Just explore and know what you like and what you don't like. As for me, highlighters, I don't like highlighters. I don't like highlighters these days. I don't like shimmer eyeshadows. I don't like lashes. I don't like them. I hate them with every being of my heart. So just explore and see what you like and what you don't like. And me, with my makeup, especially my foundation, I find it easier to apply with a brush rather than using a beauty blender on my hands and stuff. I feel like with the brush it blends so well, and you can use just one brush. I use this brush for for my foundation, I use this brush for my powder, I use this brush for contour. You don't need to have a lot of tools. I only have 3 brushes and they do work for me, and I do achieve a look that I like. So do you see, guys, that I have makeup on but I don't have makeup on? I'm not gonna put a lot of product, so I've just put this around these areas of my face, and then I'm gonna go over and use the Essence foundation, this one right here. I'm just gonna drop just a drop on the palm of my hand, just a little bit. I don't use much. Do you guys even see that? Like, focus. You don't need a lot of product. Now that I've decided to film, people decided to turn their music on so that I can get copyright strike. Guys, you should never film on weekends if you're a content creator. So with this, I'm just gonna go on the outer part of my face, the areas that I am mostly dark. That's where I'm going to apply this Essence foundation, and just make sure they blend well with my other foundation that I just currently put on, like the Maybelline one. Concealer, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade, this is Fawn, and to be honest, I don't like concealing that much. Like, it's not something that my camera today is just
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
I know I look scary and crazy. I know, but it's gonna come out nice at the end of the day. And this is how I like doing my eyebrows. I like keeping them natural. Just let them be like who they are. So now I'm gonna use this.
So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
I just put a little black liner onto my, is it water eye, under eye water, whatever. Now I'm just going to clean my lips. We are done actually. So I think I'm happy with my lips like this. I just want a gloss today and that's it. If you want to apply lipstick, whichever lipstick of your choice, you can go ahead and do that. And then so we're gonna spray. We're gonna spray our setting spray so that the makeup can just set in together and yo. And here's the finished look, sugar pies. It's a very simple everyday look. I'm sure you can just put on this look, go and run your errands, go to the mall. Yeah, running errands to the mall, just go about your day, to the office, to school, anywhere you want to go with this look. I'm sure you can go with this and nobody's just gonna give you that crazy stay like what does she have on, because everything looks just natural, just like you did something but you didn't do anything. Like at least you've made effort on your skin, and that is what we are after, like achieving a skinny like but a little bit polished. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If I've left any point, just ask me in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to reply to you. If you did enjoy this video and you haven't subscribed yet, child, I'm waiting. I am waiting. Yeah, hit the subscribe button and just join the Sugar Pie squad, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, I love you guys.